So as we promised you, our flagship within the Focal headphone line, this is our Utopia. And what makes this very unique is that this was actually one of our first headphones that we released in 2016. And what's very humbling to us is that we are still receiving awards on this product, even though it's nearly 4 years old. So first and foremost, it is an open back headphone. We are paired with the Beryllium M Profile Dome. With that is that we are using a lambskin ear cups or cushions on these guys as well, headband. So again, very, very comfortable, very easy to wear, where you can use for a long time. What's very unique about this and different from the other units is that we are using carbon fiber yokes versus the aluminum yokes. The fact is that the drivers within the headphone itself are a little bit heavier, a little bit more robust, and so we've actually have to offset that weight by going to the carbon fiber yokes, which again gives it a very, very unique feel and a very luxurious look to it. Additionally, some of the other features that we've upgraded on this unit from our regular series is that we are using the Lemo Connectors. So these are 2-pinned balanced cables, again with the Lemo Connectors, and they click in and they will permanently lock so that they don't disengage, and then finalized with the Nutrix cable. Now, what we actually have it connected to is our Focal ARCHE. So this is our brand new DAC amplifier that we just launched here, or just released here in the summer of 2019. With it, we have multiple inputs. So we have our analog, digital, coaxial, and toslink. On outputs, though, what's very unique is that we have on the front, we have our quarter-inch headphone jack. We also have a 4-pin balanced XLR. But what most people don't see is on the back is that we actually have analog outputs and a pair of 3-pin XLRs, so that we can actually use this as a preamp for other equipment within your rack. Within the unit itself is that we actually call it a DAC amplifiers. For the simple fact is that we have 2 DACs, I believe the AK4491 DAC chips. With that is that is now sent, the information is now sent through the DAC chips to dual or twin mono 1-watt Class A amplifiers. Within this is that we have 4 power supplies, 2 power supplies to run the DAC chips, and 2 power supplies to run the amplifiers. One of the most unique features of this unit is the fact that we are able to tailor this model to each one of our headphones. So our headphones range in impedance all the way from 35 ohms all the way up to 80 ohms. And again, if we're utilizing multiple units on the same DAC, is that they can have a different output. So built into the unit itself is that we'll show you one of the settings that we have through the unit itself, is that we can actually go down in and we can change it to amplifier. So this allows us to now have a voltage output, hybrid output, which again allows us to interface with other manufacturer headphones. But we now also have all of our headphone models, Utopia, Clear, Elysia, and Stellia built in. And what this allows us to do is do impedance correction or impedance matching with all the different impedance from our headphones. And this allows us to have the best performance match points, so that again, if you're switching between headphones, that everything is on an equal playing field. Retail on this brand new unit is $24.99, and yes, the headphone stand is included into the unit itself.